Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a minute since I have filmed or recorded something. So yeah, just bear with me while I get myself together and get used to recording again. But there was a product that I definitely want to try. I'm going to be washing out this, I want to say, almost 2 week old wash and go. And I was experimenting with a little bit of color. If y'all can see, this is just a wax from But this is a product that got me filming again. So I definitely wanted to try these two. Pattern Beauty came out with this Stronghold Gel, Slick and Snatched, and that Pattern Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm really particular about my conditioners. This was, I think, goodness gracious, it's 3 fluid ounces. I don't remember how much it was. I'll leave all the specs on the channel or on the screen somewhere. And then this, I believe, was $25. And I got both of them from Ulta. So it comes nicely sealed. So, oh, that's what it looks like. It reminds me of old school, like perm. Not really perm, but like how the salon used to smell back, I don't know, old school. I don't know why it brings back those kind of memories for me. But it's a thick one. So it comes with a seal as well. I like a very light scent. I'm gonna shampoo my hair with this and I'll be back. So this area right here, it don't detangle easily. So I'm gonna smooth that product in, and I'm pretty sure them silicones is gonna help that area out. Okay, silicones, come through. So I'm just gonna fast forward through some of this detangling and applying the conditioner to my hair so you guys can see how easily it was for me to do my hair during wash day. So this is my hair with the conditioner applied to it. It looks nice, it looks juicy, it feels good. So I'm gonna keep applying this to the rest of my hair and I'm gonna come back when it's time to start the gel. And for some reason, my volume on when I was recording was really low. So I'm just telling you that I'm applying the gel to my hair, and first I kind of smooth it in, and I'm going to shingle, which I don't do that much, but because I know most of my viewers do, I figured I would do it for the sake of the video. And so I'm concentrating putting that extra gel to my roots, just because when I shingle, I don't want the roots to be puffy. And so this is what my hair looks like, this little section with the gel, the conditioner and the gel fully applied. It looks really like, it looks good. I'm like thinking that it might come out to be a nice wash and go. So I'm gonna speed up the rest of the video so you guys can see just me just putting the gel on, and then I'll come back when it's fully applied. So this is my hair after I've applied all the products. And if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I just do this shake from side to side just to kind of help separate my curls. And then this is my hair, same day, just hours later. It's about 90% dried and shrinkage is real. But I love the shine and I love the little shape that it gave me to my hair. So I'm going to turn around and also show you what it looks like in the back as well. But this gel is $25. I can't say I'll be using it every wash and go. I definitely will be saving it for when my husband is taking me out or I'm going out with my sisters. This is definitely a nice gel for a special occasion, and I love the definition. So I decided to stretch my hair because I just wanted to see how this gel would perform with it being stretched, and being that most of my subbies, they do stretch. So I just wanted to kind of show you what you're going to be getting into with this gel. What are my final thoughts? I will tell you that I am thoroughly impressed with, first off, let's start with this. This conditioner was $9. And of course it has some silicones in there. It has amyodimethicone, which is one of the harder ones they said to get out. But I will shampoo my hair. But I will say that my hair felt so good putting the gel on top of it. It felt good even without anything else on it. It felt so good. When I was detangling, it was easier to tangle. But you know, silicones, they do that to you. Every time I put a silicone in my hair, I'm good. I fall in love again. But not all silicones, not all combinations are the same. Something about this combo, the way they did it, it's just everything. I really like this. I definitely will buy this again. And when the money is right, I will get the big one, the big jar. I'll put a picture of it. It's like $42, but no. It'll be the $9. Pinch and squeeze leave-ins, and this one is pretty dope. As far as the gel goes, this one actually does not have any silicone, so if you're curly girl friendly and you follow that no silicone, no certain things life like I have been for many years, you definitely can pick this up, use it, and what have you. How do I feel about this? My hair definitely had a crunch to it, but when I stretched it out, I pretty much don't have a crunch. But you'll see the parts that I didn't stretch out as much is very shiny, and the parts that I stretched out, the shine is kind of gone. So I'm a little bit disappointed with that. I don't typically stretch my hair. I only stretched it because I know a majority of my viewers do stretch their hair. So I just wanted to show you how this gel performs with it being stretched. Let's see. So this is obviously day one here. There is a small element of frizz, but listen, I'm here for this frizz because this wash and go is everything right now. For real, like this wash and go is everything. Like I'm really enjoying this. I will not be returning this at all. This is gonna stay. I'm gonna use this thing up, and more than likely will I repurchase it. Let me rewind. Let me use this a few more times before I tell you if I will repurchase it. But with this wash and go, yes. As of right now, would I want to repurchase it? Yes. The only thing I would say is when I did the stretching, I feel like I lost some of the shine. But again, I mean, you know, I gotta, you know, take a little bit. You know, I mean, I gotta like understand that I probably will lose some of the shine. Sorry, Papa. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video. I definitely enjoyed using these products out there that you guys want to try. I definitely want to be more consistent with my videos so you guys can see what these wash and goes are looking like, and if you want to hear my opinion, how I felt about it, how I like it. Yeah, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one.